So it was still in the building up phase. And in the wellness consulting, my clients, they were all preoccupied with their own business, how to start again after the lockdown. So I was not foreseeing any income streams coming after the lockdown would end. So I need to think, I need to come up with a new plan. So I felt that this was for me a time to recharge. And I decided, okay, if my daughter's going to Europe, I'm gonna go to Europe as well. I had owned two properties. So I decided to rent out those two properties to create passive income and take a year off just to give myself a sabbatical, which is something I never thought it was going to be possible because we're conditioned to always be working, always be doing something.
Absolutely.
So I never thought of myself taking such a long time off. I think the most vacation I've ever had was 3 weeks. Um,
Absolutely, it's the same for me. 3 weeks in all my life is maximum twice, I think, over the life.
y- so taking a year off was bold decision, but I thought, okay, it's either now or never.